it is a busy morning at the Riverview Project. Tile guys are here. Maybe they'll finish today. Early this morning, we met at Lowe's. And as you may be able to tell, Jesus is headed into this little hall bath. He's gonna start working on the board and batten wainscoting that's going in there. All right, I think I told you we picked up a mirror. Jesus has drawn the mirror on the wall, if you can see that. We drew it. I thought it was a little too high, so we moved it down. Our vanity height is coming to here, so we'll have a little bit of wall space and then the trim around our mirror. And here's our kind of our plumb line all the way around. He's gonna start by building the frame around the mirror and everything will kill into that. So let's open this mirror up and hope it's all in one piece. So far, so good. Yeah, nice, simple, beveled mirror. I can't wait to see all this come together. All right, Jesus is working on the frame to go around the mirror, and I'm obsessed with how he's done this. So he notched just the tiniest little bit so that this part will cover up the mirror. So the mirror will look like it's completely enclosed and just the slightest bit will be behind this. You can see how he's put it together. He's used his pocket screws. Now he's working to get it nice and square. He can do anything. You can do anything, Jesus. He's also got really good tools and stuff. I can't wait to see this on the wall. We have a mirror in place in the hall bath. So what he went ahead and did was liquid nailed it to the wall, put a brace up to hold it. That piece will come down. Wow. The other half of the house, it looks to me like they've started working in this closet. Yes, sir. This is gonna be tricky. There are pipes on the floor. There are lots of stuff to work around. So they're gonna figure out how they're gonna make that work. So the last little bit around the kitchen floor is going in. That's gonna be under the stove and under the cabinets, but still gotta tile it. And then it looks like, oh, you know what? I'm not gonna go because I shouldn't walk on those. But it looks like there's Duroc in the closet, so that's good. All right, we're getting ready to wrap up for the day, but I got a lot of tile work done here. Just need to work around this edge and finish in that closet. I'm not gonna walk on it, but the foyer is almost done. So another day of tile. The exciting thing that we'll watch is the hall bath. Hey y'all, so lots happened here. I didn't document any of it. The main thing is this floor is grouted and it looks amazing. Also, Jesus got some work done in the bathroom. But first of all, let's look at this floor. Right, so it is completely grouted in this room. That was to block to keep the door closed over the weekend. They got this done Saturday afternoon and it looks so, so good. It looks great. I could not be happier with this room. All right, down the hall, here we go. Look at what all Jesus got accomplished in here. So he got all the board and batten look that we were going for. We've got this nice little ledge and a good size. We got this mirror all framed out. Of course, you guys saw him doing that. Looks like we haven't done this little pony wall just yet. But this looks fantastic. Hi. Looks great. I am glad that we didn't put a piece here because I think it would have just made the sink weird. We've still got to add one more on this side. So a few more little details, but this room is looking great. Imagine this with beautiful wallpaper up here. It's gonna look so good. Kitchen, all of this tile is finished. The last time I showed it, they were working on this. This closet is done. It's dark in here, but back here in this closet, it's done. all the way back, laundry room. So now we're just waiting on grout. We've had to order more grout. We're waiting on it to come in, but you can see they've cleaned it pretty good and it looks great. And when we know, once we get this grout, it's gonna look just as good as that. The next thing I'm gonna do is the homeowner has picked a carpet runner for these stairs. She needs me to get her some measurements. So I'm gonna work on that now. All right, so tile is moving right along. I just picked up brown paper because we're gonna cover up that grout as soon as it dries, and then we won't see it again until the homeowners are ready to move in. We've got to protect all of these floors. It's bright and early, and we are back at the Riverview project. And let's go check out the grout on the tile. I'm actually gonna take my shoes off. Let's take a look. Wow, y'all, this looks so good. It's huge. This space looks huge. Like we could bowl in here. This looks so nice. Love this dark grout. It's slightly lighter than the tile, but it's really subtle. It's not too light that it's gonna stain. There's some cool variation in the tile. Like I don't know if you can see, there's a little veining there. I like this a lot. The natural light that they're gonna get in this space is great. It's looking good. Looking real good. Also, now that the tile guys have finished this, they are ready to start working in our bathrooms. Now, we are not ready to work in the primary bathroom, and here's why. I'm gonna put my shoes back on. We are going to build the cabinets in that bathroom, and tile will butt up to it. We also are doing a tub with a built surround and then countertops. So it's almost like an undermount sink, but it's like an undermount tub. And the tile will have to tile down to the countertop, almost like a backsplash. So we're not ready to start with the primary bathroom yet, but we are ready to start tiling in our two small bathrooms. So remember you saw all the wainscoting. This still needs paint, but we're probably gonna stay out of here, stay out of their way so that they can tile. So we gotta tile the floors, tile the walls, but first they gotta do Durock. So lots gonna be happening in here very soon. So this was actually the perfect time to get this finished, and it's nice and dry. We are gonna cover it with brown paper today because we expect kitchen cabinets any minute. So they will come in huge boxes. So we don't wanna put any in here, but we're probably gonna stage some in the sunroom, and then if we can clean up this living room, everything keeps getting moved from this place to that place. So we gotta make room for lots of cabinet boxes to come in, and then you wanna keep this room empty, of course, so that we can start setting the cabinets. All right, as promised, we got these floors covered with brown paper. They're nice and protected, and that's because, we expect our kitchen cabinets to arrive on Monday. Now, before they get here, I want to take you back in time to about a month and a half ago when we went to the cabinet studio and finalized all the cabinet details. So here we go, back in time. Hey everybody, so we are not at the Riverview project today. We are actually at Cabinet Connect and East Coast Granite because we are finalizing our cabinets, all the details. So I have printed out all of our drawings that Lee did with all of the wall views and the floor plans, and we picked the cabinet finishes. That was pretty easy, and now we're down to the tiny little details. So the easiest decision was we are going with this door and drawer front. We absolutely love it. We love this little bevel. It's perfect. We're planning to go with the white on the perimeter, kind of like you see here. And then this is going to be the island. And it's gonna tie in beautifully with those hardwood floors that we've got going. We haven't picked our stone yet because we are in the weeds. We are doing all of the things from where's the paper towels gonna go to where the cookie sheet's gonna go. So we've written things down and changed them about 15 times, but we're getting there. We've picked out hoods. We've talked about doing a contrasting hood like you see here. We've talked about hardware. We haven't found the hardware yet, but we've talked about it. So we are making progress. So here is our white cabinet that we're doing for the perimeter. And one of the things that we've got to do is figure out what is the closest white color, because we're going to want our trim to match our cabinets. And then there's going to be a few little things we're going to have to paint ourselves. So we've got to figure that out. You can see where we've all just been changing things. Okay, so we finalized all the cabinets and now we're checking them out with our quartz slabs. So you're going to have to stay tuned to see which quartz we go with. Okay, so you saw all the details worked out. Everything has been ordered. It should all be arriving on Monday. We're going to be back here waiting to receive those cabinets. I hope that you will be back too.